Hello everyone, welcome to AV Design Academy where we guide you achieve. Today I have come with another solution of USEED mock question for 2022. First you read the question, understand and then solve. Let's start to read the question. Different shapes can be generated by sticking square tiles edge to edge. The figures below show example of four unique shapes. 1, 2, 3 and these are fourth unique shape generated by sticking 5 square tile in the given manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In every diagram 5 square tiles are there. Please note that shape A, B, C and D of example 4 are not different from each other as any of them can be generated by simple operations of rotation or flipping the others. First diagram, second diagram, third diagram is different, but fourth diagram is in the same shapes but in different directions, either flipping left or right or rotating, something like that. So what you have to do, what is the total number of unique shapes including the 4 shown that can be generated by sticking 5 square tiles along their edges? You have to think and draw other than these 4 these 4 designs. How many more designs you can make with these 5 square tiles? So think and start selecting the drawing. How to select the drawing? Draw the squares. Draw the squares first. First is the vertical lines square. This is cross one. This is L shape, rotated L shape. Rotated means mirror image like this. And this is a 4 shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles, but in different rotating position or flipping positions. So start thinking and make the pattern. First pattern you can make like T pattern. Three, 4 and 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth. Then you can make one more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is sixth pattern. Start making another 1, 2, 3. Here is 4. This is 5. This 7 number. You can make one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 8. Another more. 3, 1, 4. Here you can make 5. All patterns are different. 9, ये 9th हो गया. Here we try one more pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again different pattern. 9, 10. Next pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 5, this is 11. Think more, maybe more options are there. Three, 4, here we done, this done. If you make this is another pattern. This is here, you can flip this to maybe this. These are the 12. So the answer of this question is 12 pattern. What is the total number of unique shape including the 4 shown that can be generated by sticking 5 square tiles along their edges? So in my point of view, these 6 more patterns we can make with all these 5 tiles. Thank you guys. That's all for this question. This type of question is non-verbal reasoning question. Maybe you can find in this question in NAT part or multiple MCQs part, multiple choice question, where the options are given. So this type of question improve your design thinking, pattern, how to draw pattern, how to create new type of pattern. So try to practice these type of question regularly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any question, you might be comment in comment section below. Thank you.